Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this ocean whirlpool design as part of Water Marble March. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The polishes that we're going to be using today are all from Whirlpool. The lightest color is Gumdrop. Then the medium color is Teal Unreal. These both have kind of discolored bottles, but the polish inside is fine. And then the darkest color is Wandering Vine. I'm going to be using Teal Unreal as my base color, and then I'm going to be protecting around my nails using liquid latex and tape. As usual, for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm going to draw from the center outward in 4 directions, and then I'm going to draw back in between each of those before drawing in a spiral. If you feel like the design isn't quite wide enough to dip multiple fingers, you can go around the edges and slightly pull it out a little bit, being careful not to overly distort the pattern. Just a little bit of a pull to make it a little bit wider, like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and dip 3 fingers at a time. For this particular cup, I'm going to be dipping my my ring finger, my middle finger, and my pinky. I'm going to line them up at the angle where it's easiest for me to dip, aiming the center of the spiral for my ring finger, and then trying to decide where to dip is one of the hardest parts. But here we go. Line up and then dip in. Go ahead and clear off the surface of the excess polish, which is not too much when you're dipping multiple fingers. And then once the surface is clear, pull out slowly. And there's your water marble. You may want to use a pair of tweezers to help remove your protection, like this. The tape and latex may or may not come off together, like that. And once I've marbled all my nails, I'll go back and clean up closely with a small brush dipped in acetone. Once you've finished with cleanup, you can go ahead and finish with the top coat. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really love how these turned out. The swirls turned out really cool, and although I forgot to reverse the spiral on my right hand, I'm probably the only one who's ever going to notice that. Except for you guys, because I just told you. I'd love to hear what you think down in the comments. I hope you're enjoying Water Marble March so far. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.